Hey there, future crypto moguls. Welcome back to our channel. But before starts, crypto disclaimer, the content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice. The information presented is based on my own research and personal experiences. It is important to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments are subject to market risks, including the loss of principal. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Today's topic is a game changer, especially for those looking to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. We're talking about how to start investing in cryptocurrency, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Understanding the basics. So, you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the buzz around decentralized finance. But where do you start? Well, let's begin with the basics. Cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, it operates on a decentralized network based on blockchain technology. Choosing the right cryptocurrency. Now that you're familiar with the basics, it's time to choose the right cryptocurrency for you. Bitcoin might be the poster child, but there's a whole world of altcoins out there. Research different projects, understand their use cases, and evaluate their potential for growth. Diversification is the key to a robust crypto portfolio. Selecting a reliable exchange. Once you've decided on your digital assets, it's time to find a reliable exchange. Look for platforms with a user-friendly interface, strong security measures, and a variety of listed cryptocurrencies. Popular choices include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Always prioritize safety and convenience when making your selection. Securing your investments. Security is paramount in the crypto space. With increasing incidence of hacking and fraud, safeguarding your investments is non-negotiable. Consider using hardware wallets for long-term storage and enable two-factor authentication on your exchange accounts. Remember, a proactive approach to security is a wise investment. Understanding market trends. Crypto markets can be volatile, and understanding market trends is crucial. Keep an eye on news, follow influencers, and use analytical tools to stay informed. Learning to read charts and recognize patterns can help you make more informed investment decisions, minimizing risks in this dynamic landscape. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our guide on how to start investing in cryptocurrency. Remember, the key is education, research, and a strategic approach. Cryptocurrency is an ever-evolving space, and staying informed is your best asset. So, buckle up for this thrilling ride into the future of finance. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency trends. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What topics would you like me to cover next? Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest insights. Thanks for watching.